Get excited about the 2017 Lincoln MKX. A 3.7-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated 6-speed automatic transmission, and for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. All-wheel drive maintains traction at all 4 corners. Lincoln infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as front dual-zone air conditioning, high-intensity discharge headlights, and power seats. Everything is where it ought to be, from the dashboard controls to the door locks and window controls. Premium sound drives 10 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Lincoln ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. It also arrives with a Carfax history report indicating just one previous owner. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Stop in and take a test drive.